Artificial intelligence is rapidly morphing into something much more valuable, and it has become an everyday reality that quietly enhances experiences of all kinds. That is reflected in the list of the most innovative companies in AI for 2022. Many of them have been at it for some time, and their efforts reflect both evolution and revolution. What are these companies? We're going to tell you in this video. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Number 10. Adobe. Number 10 biggest using AI in the world today is Adobe. Adobe's new neural filter uses AI to bring point-and-click simplicity to visual effects that previously would have required hours of work and years of image editing experience. Using them, you can quickly change the expression of a photo subject from expressionless to cheerful, or adjust the direction someone is looking, or colorize a black and white photo with surprising subtlety. As part of Adobe's Sensei portfolio of all AI technologies, the filters use an advanced form of machine learning known as generative adversarial networks. Number 9. Apple. Due to the large amount of information handled by the technology company, Apple, the organization, makes use of big data in artificial intelligence to assimilate the enormous volume of locations and maps generated by smartphones, cars that connect to the cloud, or other devices. The company's policy has always been to acquire other companies that provide added value in this regard. Apple ranks the 9th position of the top 10 companies using AI in the world today. That is why in 2015 Apple bought MapSense to improve its services based on the analysis of the data generated by an infinity of clients that connected simultaneously to the internet. The development of the company is closely linked to training in the expert handling of new technologies and the most cutting-edge applications. Number 8. Facebook. In the social network Facebook, an overwhelming volume of data is generated daily for manual work. From the behavior of users in the application, Facebook builds a graph from which it can draw inferences for understanding user behavior and then predict it. This behavior analysis allows putting into practice, for example, more individualized advertising. Facebook also uses an application called Sentiment Analysis that focuses on the emotions that users capture on their walls. Another of Facebook's interests in recent times is the monitoring of those publications that in a short time become viral. Many of these applications today have especially a commercial function. Facebook is one of the biggest companies using AI in the world, and it's number 8 on our list. Number 7. Nvidia. Almost everyone in the geek nerd world knows the company for its graphic cards. However, this company is more powerful than many think, and in part, it has been thanks to the rise of cryptocurrencies. The 7th biggest company using AI, Nvidia, is working on deep learning projects for autonomous driving, development of chips and software for intelligent robots, training for students in deep learning, and AI projects applied to medicine. In most training of deep learning models, the use of graphics cards is necessary, with Nvidia being the main manufacturer. The world's most powerful computer for AI made by the government's Berkeley lab uses 6,000 Nvidia GPUs. This means that Nvidia graphics processors are essential to the AI industry. That is, the more AI is used in society, the more graphics processors will be needed, being Nvidia the world's top company in the development of graphic processors. Number 6. Amazon. Amazon's algorithms built from a huge amount of data and capable of drawing trends to direct the consumer towards the product they are looking for and others related to it. With artificial intelligence, Amazon manages to personalize the buying habit by highlighting your interests on the home page, thus facilitating the process. The company has also incorporated a virtual assistant, Alexa. As number 6 on the list, Amazon has made investments in AI applications for consumers and solutions for businesses and operations. Alexa, an AI language assistant, is well known globally and is built into their line of Echo speakers. This virtual assistant can tell which clothes suit you based on the photographs you take of the clothes you currently own. Amazon also used artificial intelligence to make the company more customer-centric. They collect a lot of data about consumer buying behavior and then propose things to their consumers who are now using predictive analytics to forecast what they need even before they need it. Alexa cross-references the clothing image with the entire Amazon catalog to find meaningful matches regarding customer tastes. Number 5. Intel. Even though this company is popularly known as a chip manufacturing company, it is also making great strides among the companies using AI, and it's number 5 on the list. Among these advances, there is the acquisition of contracts with very relevant car manufacturers for the development of autonomous driving software through virtual reality. In addition to this, they are also in other AI projects such as specialized processors for artificial intelligence, inventions to help blind people through AI software for parental control in video games, and software for career companies with autonomous delivery like UDelv, and more projects. They are also currently using AI to improve the manufacturing process of their processors and also performance of their employees. Number 4. OpenAI. Number 4 on our list is OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI research and development company founded in 2015. Its mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits everyone. To do this, the company builds a safe and beneficial AGI. Its director, Ilya Sutskever, is one of the experts in machine learning. The founders are motivated by concerns about AGI's existential risk. As a nonprofit organization, the company wants to collaborate freely with other people from many institutions and aims to work with other companies to research and implement new technologies. In May 2020, OpenAI revealed GPT-3, which is its landmark artificial intelligence tool that can generate human-like text and programming code. But it's waited until November 2021 when it implemented security measures designed to prevent the use of the technology in potentially dangerous applications before making it available to the general public. A month later, it began allowing third-party developers to modify the GPT algorithms for their applications, just as important. The company introduced 3 significant new technologies in 2021 that build on advances from GPT-3. Number 3. IBM Watson. One of the most important companies in the history of computing has also decided to be a pioneer in the field of AI. As number 3 on our list, IBM has led artificial intelligence since the 1950s. Its efforts in recent years have focused on IBM Watson, an AI-based cognitive service, AI software as a service, and scalable systems designed to deliver cloud-based analytics and AI services. He has been acquisitive, buying various AI startups over many years. You benefit from having a powerful cloud platform. In this case, with the delegation of IBM Watson, created especially to offer applications and services with the adoption of AI. IBM currently has one of the best market shares in the world when it comes to offering artificial intelligence services. 70% of the banking industry is already using IBM Watson solutions. A large part of the clients that have now dedicated to the financial field. However, they also offer services to clients who are dedicated to health, marketing, tourism, security, supply chain, etc. Without a doubt, it seems like a good company to invest in if you want to build a diversified AI portfolio. In addition to offering business services, they are also working on ambitious AI-related projects, such as the development of a processor that uses the integration of AI. This processor has been called Telum. Number 2. Microsoft. The second pick on our list is Microsoft. Microsoft offers a mix of consumer-facing and business IT AI projects. On the consumer side, you have Cortana, the digital assistant that comes with Windows and is now available for non-Windows Phone smartphones, and the Zoe chatbot that talks like a teenager. Microsoft sells artificial intelligence services such as bot services, machine learning, and cognitive services. The technology company, Microsoft, also offers a service of solutions based on the big data techniques. For example, artificial intelligence powers all the innovative apps across Microsoft 365, and this has helped us in writing and designing better. It also helps us to visualize maps and charts in Excel. Also, with the aid of AI, streamlining your inbox is possible. The company itself has launched a program that is dedicated to managing data in large quantities, SQL Server 2017. This program allows fast and flexible analyses characterized by being safe and stable, making use of the most relevant variables for what is being studied, and offering useful information to modify our relationship with the client. Number 1. Google AI. Google AI is the number 1 great company that we all know works on a multitude of AI projects and also applies it to a number of its products and services, such as YouTube recommendation system or when ordering search results. Google has had a special artificial intelligence division since 2017. It has participated in projects with the United States Pentagon and has developed one of the most important projects in the world in the field of AI, which is TensorFlow, packaged open source, that uses machine learning to make it easy for programmers to build AI applications, and also offers datasets to save a lot of time on project development. Some Google AI projects, as Google Assistant, DeepMind, a company that develops very advanced machine learning systems, and Google DoPlay, an AI system that makes automatic calls to request appointments, call meetings, etc., as if it were a real person, saving time for the user. Above all, these are the top 10 companies at an international level that have resorted to the application of artificial intelligence to improve their internal management and analyze the profile and needs of their clients at a higher level. And we hope you've now seen it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded to this channel. Please leave your thoughts about the world's top 10 companies leading AI research in 2022 in the comments section below. Thank you.